Concat is an array function in JavaScript that joins two or more arrays together to form a new array. It doesn't change any of the existing arrays, it returns a new array. Here you have two arrays, you join them together with concat, and end up with a new array that has the elements of both arrays joined together. The only thing to worry about with the concat function is that it doesn't flatten out arrays that are more than one level deep. In this case, because array B was 2 levels deep, it was added to the C array as an entire 1D array, rather than all of B's elements being in the array individually. The array push method in JavaScript adds an element or elements at the end of the array. The new length of the array is returned from the function. Here you're storing the new length of the array in a variable. When you print out the variable, since you went from a length of 3 to 4, 4 will be printed. This sets up an error you need to make sure you avoid. Don't set your array variable to the output of the push function, because this will store the new length over where your array was stored, and you no longer be able to access the array. You can simply just pass multiple elements into push separated by a comma, and they will all be added to the end of the array, one by one, in order. Finally, if you pass in just a single element to push, that single element will be added to the end of the array.
Like and subscribe to learn more.